Yo, my dudes, what's up? Welcome back. Been a really long 24 hours, hasn't it? Let's get first things first out of the way. It looks. Please hit that like button for the new stream. We got 11 likes. Let's get that up to like 500-600. You know, you guys know the deal. More likes equals more visibility on the platform. So really, really appreciate you guys who consistently are hitting that like button, sharing the stream, etc. Also, Discord. Join Discord. We're live here every day. Best way to find our streams is gonna be getting alerts through the Discord. Link is pinned to the top of the chat. I'll go ahead and put that out once or twice. There we are. And last but not least, it is January the 28th. We are coming up on a new month here, and so might as well. It's time to get back to a little bit of shilling. Not too much, but real quick, here we go. Check out the Patreon, guys. It's our little more detailed trading group, per se, I don't know, for people looking to invest in themselves, upgrade their trade, and really become less dependent on following signals, things like that. My goal with the Patreon is to teach you or help you learn how to identify and read your own charts, make your own trade setups. However, Patreon does come with daily publishes of trade setups, technical analysis, educational videos, all the goodies. So check her out. Links in the chat. February 1st is the best day to sign up. You don't want to sign up now. Just being transparent here, if you sign up now, Patreon will bill on the 1st of the month, and you'll get double charged. So not a good plan. First coming up very soon. Man, it looks like we're not showing up in search, are we? Let me double check here quick. Womp womp womp. We are not in search. If we smash that like button, we'll get back in. I don't know. Find out. God, stupid YouTube. Alright, let's do a little TA. Why not? So DOGE. Everybody's talking about DOGE. Everyone's talking about Wall Street bets. What a crazy week, man. It's like 2020, we survived it, and now the Reddit rebellion is going to plan. Like, who would have saw this coming? Who had the bet? Who had the bet on this? Wall Street bet / Reddit uprising taking down hedge funds in 2021. Did anybody have that on their bingo sheet? Anybody? I don't think so. So, DOGE. You guys know I've been a fan of DOGE. We've talked about DOGE over and over again here. I don't have any audio. There we go. Should work. Talked about DOGE. I'm a fan. People laughed pretty consistently over the years as I've said that. But DOGE fits all of the categories that I like in a coin. It's proof of work. It's an old coin. It stood the test of time. It's decentralized. You know what? And it has a great community.
Share them DOGE gains.
Yo, Alex, my man. Thank you for the 5. I appreciate the support. Share those DOGE gains. Well, we try. Try to. I've been talking about her. Oops. Okay. I've been talking about her for a bit, but it's hard to get over. It's hard to get over that initial "it's a meme" lol. What does that mean, though? It means there's a community of people who are passionate about the coin, about the project. People were lolling at me for supporting it, and I guess I'm going to be lolling these gains to the bank here. So we were actually looking at this, I believe, in late December, as DOGE USD did break up and retested the previous high in July. We can see TikTok pump was back here. This is when, if everybody remembers that, TikTok was all raging about DOGE, and we were watching it. We did see some resistance at that 0054 cent mark before breaking up and testing around the 1 cent area, and last night going berserk. You know what? Might as well double shill. So, for example, people interested in the Patreon. For example, this is a pretty solid trade setup, maybe one of the best I'll ever post. We were looking to go long on DOGE at 15 sats. The original trade setup that was suggested was 15 sats to take profit at 37. Now that happened actually back in December. We saw some macro signs on the daily. Momentum waning. We saw price closing above the 15-20 moving averages. We were getting signs. That this was looking to move. And so, man, it's blown past expectations. The next take profit target 105 sats, maybe just 100. Things get very crazy from here. Unfortunately, we look back at Doge's history and we see that this is pretty common. We've had many of these spikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a coin that is hard to hold to the upside. What's interesting, though, is we do have the possibility. Ooh.
Long live the king. Started watching back in July. Has changed my life. Thanks for all you do.
Lowsty, my man. Thank you. Thank you for being here and being a long-term supporter of the Crown channel, brother. I appreciate you, and I'm happy you've had some success lately. It's heartwarming. It's great to hear. I love when you guys are succeeding. That makes my heart warm. Makes my heart warm. Appreciate you. Cool, we're back in search, I guess. Maybe. I don't know how this works, guys. It seems like we're never in search right away and then crawl back. I see it. I see it when I type in Tom Crown. Do I see it when I type in Bitcoin Live? No, I don't know. Who cares? It is what it is, guys. You guys are here. That's all that matters. Yeah. So yeah, we went long from 15, and this trade is set up perfectly. Pretty much literally buying the bottom, at least here so far. You don't get trades like this all the time. This is not every day. This is long waiting. In fact, since November 2017, we've been looking for 15 sats on Doge Bitcoin, and just got it in December, and now it's taken off. So let's look at the macro here. There's some interesting stuff. Let's make a new one. Make a copy. Yeah. I'm going to trash all this so we can see better. So there's some interesting macro here on Doge. As I pointed out, we've seen it's relatively stable. Relatively stable. Almost like a crypto stablecoin. It's really traded alongside of Bitcoin very closely over the years. And for that, it's actually become a rather solid investment for portfolio allocation. So what we're looking at here on the macro, we have a huge 6-year descending high trend right up here. Let's make this a little bolder. Currently above us, that trend is sitting for the first time seemingly in reach at 139 sats, just about. Breaking out of this uptrend, or this down, a descending high trend. Man, I'm just waking up. I had a good night last night, and a little tired. Could spell some craziness for Doge. We've not seen it before. It is a possibility. This is not something I would look to trade, though. Buying in now to try to get to that 140 mark is super high risk. Honestly, if you weren't in Doge earlier, pretty much the only thing available to you now is going to be some kind of scalping trade where you're in and out quickly, because, man, it can get very painful. You know, we looked at the chart history and we have seen this happen over and over again, and each time it sells off back down, leaving people trapped. So is this time different? Probably not. We're probably going to see this sell off. In fact, maybe we can even get some clues here. Might even get some clues. We see that this initial rally off of 15 sats up to 41. We saw Doge retrace back to the 618 line. Did not touch the 786. So maybe we look again to that same 618. And where does that leave us? Just about 45 sats. That could be a decent entry. Let's see. 45 sats. Where was the previous 41? That lines up pretty well with the previous high, just shy of reaching it, actually. I guess it only went to 40. Oh well, just shy. About 10% increase there. That wouldn't be a bad place to look for a position if you wanted a position in Doge. Here is a bad place to look for a position. It's pumped from 24 sats to 80 sats in just 24 hours. That's a 230% gain in Bitcoin pair. It's not even talking about dollar pair. It's Bitcoin pair. That's ridiculous. If you had 1 Bitcoin worth of Doge here at the top, you would have had 2.4 Bitcoin worth of Doge. That's a huge profit. So what we're going to do, actually, let's look at one of our indicators here. They're going to look very goofy because we had a prolonged session of selling, and all of a sudden this buying candle pretty much out of nowhere. So the daily looks funky, the weekly looks funky. Looks like it did find support here. This looks like an all-time high in Doge dollar pair. I wasn't aware of that. So maybe I should change the title. Apparently this is an all-time high. Cool. Yeah, don't buy coins at all-time highs. I think that's a pretty easy rule of thumb. The weekly does look good, though. The weekly does look good. We see a higher high in RSI and a higher high in price. That's all we can ask for. We did not paint bearish divergence there, and that is a good sign. Let's see, the previous high on Doge USD was back here. December. Wow, so that's 17. Back in the last cycle at just above, or just under 2 cents. So in USD pair, 2 cents may serve as a support. We'll find out. Probably wouldn't be my really recommended place to enter, but let's see if that lines up with any retracement. Not really at this point. Not really at this point. We may see that the 618 is sitting at just above 1 cent, 1.1 cents, and the 0.5 at 1.3 cents. That leaves a good amount of room. That's a good amount of room to the downside. This is a high risk trade to take now. These weekly moving averages look gorgeous. They're all coiled up. They're ready for this big move. And we see that this rally is also directly off the 50 moving average on the daily for Doge USD. That's pretty exciting for one reason. If you guys were here tuned in yesterday or whatever, 28. If you were tuned in yesterday, or you've been watching the charts yourself, let's pull this up. That is exciting for a reason on Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin yesterday sell off for a higher low, and today, now currently in a bullish engulfed candle, provided the day closes above 32,510. However, this is the excitement here for watching Doge bounce off the 50 daily, as we see Bitcoin during the sell-off yesterday tested the 50 daily moving average for the first time since October, I believe. It's been months. To see Doge hit that moving average, that same one, and to find so much buying pressure, that is solid. That is nice to see, as Bitcoin is in that same position, having tested it for the first time, and now we're seeing a bullish engulf daily. We haven't seen one of those. We haven't seen one of those since the 13th of January. Before that, the 5th. So this is a solid sign. The fact that Doge did it off the same moving average, for me, definitely confidence building here for Bitcoin, more so. You can see we were looking for that 1.95 cents last time we were here, and we got it. Looks like RSI still has some room to the upside. I'm going to move this down to a small time frame, see what's going on. Hourly looks okay. Highest point in price is the highest point in RSI. 4 hour has a little bit of work to do, as it has a lower high. And I love it. Love it. Just chaos today. Like, utter chaos. Bitcoin loves chaos, guys. Fear and greed meter. Meant to bring that up. Fear and greed. I wonder if it reset. I don't think this was last night. My memory is a little off. Okay, good. Fear and greed meter. It was ranging. I don't know why it says 1 month ago. Oh, this is CNBC. Okay, I guess that's... I guess the regular markets are a little spooked, sitting at a 42. Let's look at Bitcoin. That's what I meant to do. All right, 55. We saw this reset. This is actually the second reset. We saw it trend down to 48. After, you can see here, last month, 91. We were ranging in the 90s for maybe a month or two. Now we're seeing it reset. Typically, I do look at fear and greed as a counter indicator. When fear is higher, we tend to see rallies in price, and when greed is higher, we tend to see sell-offs. So the reset there, another pretty bullish factor that I think definitely should be counted, at least paid attention to some degree. Yeah, what a wild ride, man. This Robinhood stuff is absolutely bonkers. Retail fighting against hedge funds. How do we think this is going to go? As far as my experience in life, hedge funds are sore losers. Big money is just sore losers. They want all of the reward of their risk to reward positions, but they refuse to take any of the risk. They just refuse to willingly accept a gamble that had downside potential. It's going to be interesting. I think we're going to see a lot of legislation, a lot of regulation come out from this. They're going to do whatever they can to protect their money, and that means essentially stopping this kind of mass trading that we've seen happen. I love it. I'm not touching GameStop or BlackBerry or AMC or any of these things, but I love the fight back. And I think what's going to happen here is we're going to see crypto benefit from it. How? I'm not exactly sure yet. Why is easier to answer, because people are now having this jammed down their throat just how skewed this system is. The system is not a free market. It is not people being rewarded for taking risks. It's money concentrating itself, hoarding wealth, expanding that wealth, and literally as a result, you have to keep people poor. There's only so many resources. I think that we're going to see a lot of backlash from that. I believe that this Wall Street bets scenario going on is really the first domino to fall. I think we're going to see a lot more of these dominoes tipping over in the next few days or weeks. And what does that spell for traditional markets? I'm not sure, because they did not seem too happy yesterday. Let's pull up some of let's see, S&P 500. Yeah, not looking too strong. Opened up, traded up, and now we're seeing that selling right back down. Didn't even fully fill the gap. That is pretty ugly, actually. However, we did see a test of this trend line marked in purple here. Very significant trend line on the S&P 500. Tested for the first time, so bounce there was all but expected. It's going to get very interesting very fast if that trend line is lost. Absolutely going to get ridiculous. We can see that it was defended, at least for now, but this buying reaction, not that strong. I see this as legacy markets are a little shaken right now. They're not quite sure what to do with it. Nice, our Dixie short filled yesterday. Excellent. We were looking to go short on the dollar for a lower high during yesterday's stream. We didn't get it during the stream, but it looks like today traded up to that lower high, 90.862, and since sold off. So this in-stream trade from yesterday in profit, looking pretty good. Looking very good. May have found support at 90.421. Let's see. This is looking ugly. Ugly. I do not have high hopes for the dollar again. Okay, yeah, the daily yesterday closed at the 50 daily moving average and opened above it before selling off today. Man, this is not looking too great. Bearish divergence on the daily. Momentum is building back up, but this is not super strong looking. Really need to, on the dollar, if you want to see upside, see it close above the 50 daily. Until then, man, you're watching that 20, and if the 20 doesn't hold, we're going to see retests of our yearly low, or potentially even lower lows. I think 88 is probably the next target below us, something like that. 88.65, and below that gets very ugly. Let me start looking at fib retraces, 84.5, historical support at just about 80. There's a lot of downside. There's a lot of downside potential here. Or the dollar that has just been bruised, beaten and bruised over the last 6 months or so. This is very telling of the market. Yesterday's sell-off likely, and indices likely pumping the Dixie up yesterday. That's kind of what we were speculating, and so far so good. Man, it looks like I almost want to close that short, doesn't it? Spicy, spicy. Good trade there. Let's go to... what's next? We'll look at GameStop quick. Our short did get stopped on GameStop overnight. But it does look like we had the right idea. It does look like we had the right idea. We were looking for psychological resistance at 420. Blaze it. And 512. I think it was a fib extension. So neither of those really holding true as resistance, but it does look like in that zone we did see sell-offs, and now with trading halted, and this is some ridiculous crap. So trading is halted, meaning you're allowed to sell, but you're not allowed to buy on Robinhood. This is rather ridiculous. I think it is a huge argument for why we need decentralized finances and assets, man. You're a big player, or the big players have too much money to lose, and so they're going to change the rules. What kind of market is that? How is that ever, like, how is that a free market in any way? You and I are allowed to lose anything. We're allowed to lose our whole house or our whole lives, but these big boys, they're not allowed to lose. That's a game that we can't win. And I think that's going to really, really bode well for cryptocurrency in general. Decentralization, absolutely. So our AMC short from yesterday is still up, still running. Taryn Walsborn, what's up, man? Thank you for following. Good to have you. Welcome to the fam. Sweet. I guess that alert worked. I don't know. Maybe. Doesn't really work a lot of the time. Either way. So our short's still open. Didn't get stopped on like GME. And now in some pretty decent profits. Let's see. We look to go short at 1666. Holy. Oh my god. Currently 47.88%. This trade was placed live in yesterday's stream. 47.88% in profit on the short. What in the world is happening? What is even happening in the world? That is wild. That's almost a 50%. That's almost a 50%. That is insane for one day. Looks like we had the right idea here. GME we would have if we didn't get stopped. YOLO. That's how things go. Wild trade though. Awesome. This needs some alerts. Let's see. Trade win. Trade win. We're looking to chase it back down. Not really, but we're looking for it to sell back off to close the gap. We'll see what happens here. That is a wild trade. Honestly, if I had taken this trade and it wasn't just an in-stream position that we were looking at, I would probably close it. I would probably close it. That's a 50% gain. That is wild. Sure. If it goes all the way to the bottom, what do we have? 68.9. That would be ridiculous as well. But I'd be pretty happy with the 50% take there. So good luck to anybody trading these things. Highly urge you to practice caution. Especially now when these markets are getting so volatile and nutty, irrational. Alright, let's look at Nano. Let's look at Nano. So Nano's making some moves as well, kind of under the radar, while all the rest of this unfolds. Has not retested $5 yet. That was our previous target, which it hit just ever so close. I think it traded up to like $5 and something cents. Moving averages look really solid on the 4 hour. I like that. The 150-20 all curled up, all coiled up, ready for action. Breaking through some resistance here. This really was flaggish. We didn't get the flag right the first time. That happens. That's looking rather flaggish there. Where might we look next on Nano for a break? If we break $5.01, we do have $10.61 above us as resistance. It doesn't really line up with any kind of measured move, which is odd. We see the 2 extension at $12.60. That's a good bit. It's a good bit higher, actually. So I'm probably going to not look at that too much. $10.61 would be my next upside target. Downside target as support, the untested $2.08. This chart looks great.
Hey Tom, let's see some Chainlink.
You, Astronaut Renee, my brother. Let's look at some Chainlink. Sure, bro. Thank you for the 10. Appreciate you, my friend. Appreciate it. Let's see, Link. Haven't looked at it yet. We looked at it yesterday. Yeah. Looked at it yesterday. Link, really the same position as it was yesterday. We saw it back test its previous high, just about $20. And today now trading into a bullish engulfed candle. I mean, it's solid. Can't ask for much more there. Holding the 20 daily, that's great. I don't want to see Link trade under $20.30 again here, at least in the short term. Little bullish divergence on your lows on the 12-hour off support. That's solid. Solid sign. RSI and MACD both showing that bullish divergence on the lows. However, RSI and MACD also showing bearish divergence on our highs. We see higher peaks and lower swing highs on our indicators here. That is not ideal. We do have conflicting signals though, as we have bullish divergence on our lows and bearish divergence on our highs. So it's really kind of a crapshoot. Nice. Wow. Nice, nice. 4-hour looking solid with this 50-20 dance. Upside target on Link, $33. That's pretty nice. That is a pretty nice. We're off in untested waters up here, so really we don't have a lot to work with when it comes to upside targets. We have never traded higher than 25.85. Oh yeah, check this out. So both of these local highs on Link. The local high on the 17th and then the higher high here on the 25th. Both of these, if we take our Fibonacci tool, start it from the highest point, move it to the lowest point, we get our measured move. Both of them. This is insane. I've never seen this before. Not this closely. Right here. Both of these measured moves. $32.97. 132.97.35, 132.97.52. Wild. Dude, wild. That is very confidence building here for the upside target on Link. Wild. If you hold this 1995, you're looking for 32.90 something. You, Golem. Golem, my brother. Ooh, Bitcoin is moving. Mr. Dragonfly, my man. Thank you for the 5. You didn't include a message, but I appreciate you. Appreciates it. Our Golem hype. Our Golem hype. Ooh, Dodge looking spicy again. Jeez, this thing doesn't want to quit. Definitely does appear to be tracking with Bitcoin here. We see these pretty steady solid gains in Dodge USD, and then alongside of Bitcoin here, the last few hours being, well, in my opinion, this is a pretty bearish looking structure, but these candles just keep pushing up higher and higher, slowly grinding their way back up, and actually just retaking January 26th high here in this hourly, I guess since we started streaming. Yep. At 32,960. You can see that price did find a little resistance there. Little resistance there before in the last 6 minutes pushing up. I like this RSI. This is a solid growth. This could get spicy fast. 519 watching. Right. Alright, bros. Alright. You, Astronaut Renee. Thank you again, my friend. I wish you the best with Link. That measured move seems all but locked and loaded. Link just has to retake its high, and $33 is very quickly on the plate there, so good luck to everybody. I don't even know where that chart went. There it is. Yeah, if you lose 20, I'm looking down for 1550, but I think things are looking rather decent. I love how these overlap. That does not happen often, so I'm really, really keeping an eye. In fact, I'm putting an alert. There we go. I don't know where this energy came from, Bitcoin, but you're looking not too bad. Now, this is not typically something I would view as bullish at all in structure. We're seeing an ascending channel. Almost with very high confidence, we see these break down. However, there are some interesting forces at play here today. There are interesting forces. This touch to the 50, it was nice to see buying there, but really was not driven home until we saw DOGE test the 50 as well on its daily end run. That was unexpected. It was unexpected, and to see DOGE do it, a coin that we've seen run pretty consistently alongside Bitcoin, could be signaling that maybe Bitcoin is going to join that party. And so far, so good. This has been solid. 12 hours actually just reaching some resistance now at this 33.2 mark. But the market doesn't really seem to care at this moment, does it? Doesn't seem to care. Actually, let's look at our daily here. I haven't looked at our Ichimoku in a bit. Nice. Nice, okay. 34.8, or I guess it's really close to 34.4. We see the daily Kaijun line overlapping resistance. This is intimidating, to say the least. This is likely going to provide or act as some real resistance on the way up, but man, we have seen those resistances just get hammered before, and hopefully that's what we're seeing again here. A close on today's daily above 32,510 will signal some strength with the bulls again. Let's hope. Let's hope. Man, that's looking great. That is looking stellar. These series of candles, this is such ridiculousness. I would almost always expect this to break down, except for in Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin is a honey badger. Just does what it wants. Makes sense that we would see resistance there at 34.8. That's our previous swing high. That should be a hard level to retake. The prize is still all the way up at 37.8-ish. Retake this area, and we're no longer in this descending formation. Could be a momentum leg up if we retake 37.8 here. However, who knows? We're not really getting many signals. We're not getting very confident signals from Bitcoin. We do have bullish divergence on our daily RSI and on MACD, but they really haven't been playing out. We've seen it now 3 times. And so hopefully this time's different. We'll see. Ooh, 12-hour. This is the first 12-hour candle with bullish momentum since the sell-off on the 11th. That is an excellent sign. Excellent sign. Very excellent. We might be getting some pamp. Some pamp. 1 hour's alright. 34.8, man. That is looking like a solid target today. We already did test that area, though, as resistance. Interesting. Rejection from that level could get very ugly very quickly. Do not want to see that reject again. Ooh, man, I don't know about you guys, but it's freezing where I am. Holy crap. Is it cold? I'm freezing in this room. Friendly reminder, guys, please hit the like for the new stream. 615 watching. Great to have you all here. We had our marathon stream yesterday. I was on for 6 hours. Probably not going to do that today, but we just started here, so we're still warming up. So yeah, please hit that like button. Help get the stream visibility on YouTube. Helps a lot. I appreciate it. Also subscribe if you haven't yet. We broke 20,000 subscribers this week. And now we are looking to catch up with Bitcoin. So we need about 13,000 more subscribers. I believe in you guys. We're going to catch up to Bitcoin. We're on our way. Nice. Everything looks good so far. Yeah, 20,500. Blowing me away, guys. So thank you very much. Also, make sure you guys are in Discord if you're just joining us. It's the only way to keep up with our streams. We're constantly being hidden in search and suggested videos for no reason. And so that is the best way to keep up with our daily live technical analysis shows. Okay, what else can we look at? Let's send more alerts. Good enough for me. Man, where did this energy come from, Bitcoin? This is not super great looking bottom, and now you're flexing for the stream today. All right. Buy the corn. It's Thursday. Okay. Let's see, is anything else move? DOGE, of course. Cougar. Interesting. I already had it up. Okay. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. See, FTM is up. Nano is up. Swiss Borg was up. Now it looks kind of ugly. Loopring. Quant. Ethereum Classic. EGLD, let's see. EGLD is flirting with our $62.66 target, upwards of 65. Flirting. We see on the hourly it's found some support on the 20 moving average. We're seeing selling momentum potentially wane here in, we have 42 seconds left in this candle. So likely selling momentum is waning. Bearish divergence on our highs, unfortunately, but a move to 65 or above may be able to eliminate that bearish divergence. Daily looks good. Momentum is increasing. You are still in that bearish divergence setup, but another push to the upside may be enough to eliminate it. Wow, when you look on the weekly, this thing is just a monster, isn't it? Only one red candle on the 21st of December. Jeez. See what happens. See what happens. Ethereum Classic. Interesting. Why is ETC moving? Well, why isn't a is not a good question. Let's check it out. Still range bound, it seems. Still range bound. Looks like it had a double bottom at $6.62. Nice little rally. Did not break or even test resistance before selling back down to the 104-hour moving average. Let's see what it looks like on the daily. There we go. We're seeing this across many coins, that 50 daily moving average bounce leading up into solid green candles. That is confidence building to continue seeing this across the market, as Bitcoin itself has just bounced off the 50 daily moving average and is currently bullish engulfed. It's a good setup. SPX, don't need this. I think I got an alert for SNX earlier. Let's take a look at that too. There we go. Our long in stream just barely didn't fill. Oh well. We'll catch a different one. Came within about 12 cents. 12 cents of our order. A fraction of a percent before pushing higher, but looks like it's actually sold back down. This is reminding me of Ethereum. Reminding me of Ethereum at this moment, as we've seen higher highs and we've seen new all-time highs. But they're not significantly being pushed out. We're just seeing kind of a nudging, slightly higher, but we do not see the selling pressure yet.
Hello, your thoughts on Stellar? Thank you, Heart.
Ania Pawalak. Thoughts on Stella? Thank you, by the way, for the PLN. I'm not sure. I haven't thought of Stellar in a while. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, actually, maybe we looked at it yesterday. I haven't thought of it, though. Yeah, yesterday we looked at it, and I was brainstorming a long entry at 19.38 cents. Have not filled that yet. And we do see the daily in similar situation to Bitcoin with a bullish engulfing daily candle. However, it didn't test the 50 randomly. I don't know what to make of that. It does have an obstacle above it, though. Selling momentum is potentially waning off on the daily. No real divergence. A little bit of... I guess it does have divergence, yeah. That's some bullish divergence on our daily. However, what I'm worried about and where I'm looking on Stellar is right here. 28.1 cents. We have the 20-day moving average right here. Right on top of our... or right in the middle of our channel here, likely to find some resistance. If XLM can continue pushing up today and close above its 20 moving average, really 50 cents seems very reasonable. Very reasonable target. Let's look at measured move. We got measured move suggesting even higher at 81.6 cents. We will see. Oh wow, that 50 cents is the all-time high, so that'll be a retest. Excellent. I'm not convinced this will happen soon, but I do think it is inevitable that XLM will retest its USD highs from 2018. I think it's inevitable. Daily rolling over. Weekly chilling with a little bearish divergence. If I were looking to trade this, I would still proceed with the original game plan, looking to go long at support, not trying to just take a position here randomly. 19.38 cents, likely to provide some strong support. So we'll see. I'm gonna put alerts. Always with the alerts. There we are. Cool beans. Thank you again, Ania. Closing thoughts on XLM. I think it's going to get there. I'm not convinced it's going to break the 20 moving average today. And I think likely this is a better move to wait See if you can get a position at a support instead of kind of just randomly here underneath that 20 moving average. But thank you for the donation. I appreciate you and all your support. So thank you, my friend. Thank you. All right, let's see. Okay, what else do we have here? Chillin', Doge. Chillin'. Dollar playing right into our trap. Bitcoin dominance. Here we go. Bitcoin dominance. We see the daily rolling over multiple waning momentum candles in a row. And we don't even need to see the MACD to judge that. We see after the 3rd of January, pretty intense downward pressure on Bitcoin dominance. And in the last few days, that pressure seems to have lifted, whether it's temporary or not. Not sure, but that's very close to what we saw back here on the 25th, 26th of November. We saw some basically consolidation into that ugly ascending channel before breaking out. And until we see something different, that is what I'm looking for. The daily is rolling over to buying momentum. That's a good sign. Weekly is still rolling back to selling. However, doesn't have bearish divergence on its highs, and so I'm not. Something tells me this is going to look to retest its high there and for dominance. That could spell some pain for alts. If it's rejected here on the weekly though, and we do see this play out, we'll be probably looking at a head and shoulders pattern in that case. Made in Chef, what's up, man? Thank you for subscribing. Good to have you. To have you here, fam. Yeah, this could definitely play out as a head and shoulders, but until we get something that suggests that, I don't think that's what I'll be looking for. With the monthly close in 3 days, it looks like the bearish engulf monthly is being rejected. Looks like it may close above 64.2 previous monthly resistance, now potentially being tested as support. It's going to be a wild ride in the next week. Just a reminder, on the 29th, we have a record number of Bitcoin options expiring. It gets even more interesting. Not just do we have these options expiring, we have the monthly close on a Sunday, which means we have a weekly and monthly close on the same day, and 2 weekend days leading up to it. That is a recipe for volatility. This combination of events doesn't happen that often, and when it does, I always expect volatility. So keep your hats on. Keep your hats on this weekend. Don't FOMO, don't panic. Remember, if you don't know what to do, if you're not confident in what the right choice is, doing nothing in a bull market can be highly successful. Never feel pressured to make a trade, never feel pressured in either direction, FOMO or fear. If you don't know what to do, just do nothing. That's my opinion on best practice in crypto. Doing nothing is... it's easy. It's easy work-wise because you just walk away. Easier said than done, I'm aware. What other charts do I have up here? Dot not yet moving either. Selling pressure continues to grow, at least that's what it appears right now. Seems that selling pressure is still rolling over, has not come back to backtest 1448 yet on dot. I would, if I was looking for an entry, that's where I would be looking. Backtest that previous resistance as support. Makes sense. If DOT breaks $19.40, I'm looking for our measured move to $21.20. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Extended target all the way up to $24, $25. That's some serious gains for a coin that traded at $3 just months ago. Wild ride. See, Voyager, cool. We looked at Voyager yesterday. We'll take a little look at it again. Voyager did close the daily above 3,300 sats. There we go. Looks like also then came back down to test daily support at 3,114. This couldn't have gone honestly any better than couldn't have gone any better to what we were talking about yesterday. That is on point. Still in our little triangulo, yes. Tested the bottom of it. Wow, that confirms that triangle in my opinion. 1 hour rolling over, excellent. Ooh, 4 hour with a little bit of spice, man. Alright. Alright. It's gonna be an interesting day. There we go. See, Voyager tested this 100 4-hour moving average and found some support there. Nice. 12-hour 20, same deal. We see the 12-hour rolling over. This could get very spicy. With that close yesterday, this is what we were looking for. We were looking for a close over 3,300 sats, and that was going to be our signal that this is looking bullish and looking to test 4,122. Seems very reasonable now. Nice. Not much going on with Orchid. Still range trading. We looked at it yesterday. Not much has changed. Total is looking very bullish. Very bullish. Also looking for a daily bullish engulfed close here with an hour and 45 minutes left. Just needs to close above 952 billion. Total breaking out would be a great signal for Bitcoin. Great bullish signal. Band USD has not moved since yesterday. We were looking for a lower support entry there.
Hey bro, what do you think about Zenfuse? IO, their revolutionary trading terminal is making a lot of noise recently. Their ticker is ZEFU. They did X3 in 2 weeks. Market cap is just 5 mil. Much appreciated, nerd face.
What's up, my man? Thank you for the 1,000 rubles. I appreciate you. What do I think about Zenfuse? Can't say I've ever heard of it before. Not familiar with it. Let's see. Zifu. We'll see if it has a chart. Alright, this has a little bit more chart history than most of the stuff on Uniswap that I've seen. Cool. Not a lot, but still has some. Alright. So your momentum's looking alright. Daily is buying, 4 hours buying, 12 hours flipping over to buy again. My target for this would be 00127. for the 50% retrace. We can also see that this was previously support, then flipped to resistance, then flipped back to support, and then back to resistance twice more. So, logical place to see price look to go to would be right there. You have the deeper 618 retrace at 00016. Maybe the upper band of this target here. There's not too much to work with here. This is relatively new, a little bit more than we're used to on Uniswap, but still. Holding those averages, not bad. Back above the 50, cool. Yeah, I think edges with the bulls up until you get to 0.00127. At that point, it's anyone's guess. You have a pretty significant resistance above you at 0.00218. Be keeping an eye out for that. Yeah, feeling pretty confident of that 0.00127 touch though. So that's what I think about it. I don't really know, never heard of it, but I hope that this trade works out for you, my friend. Thank you for the support. Oof. Oh, jeez. 6 hours of streaming and talking yesterday did me in. But thank you, my friend, for the support. Happy to have you here, and happy trades on that, my bud. GME is not trading, so it's not going to update. Bitcoin's just sailing up slowly. It's looking for 34.888. It's going to be some stuff. If it can break 34.8, we may see some awesome upside into the end of this month. I don't have high confidence of that though. Like I said, this structure, not really what we would consider bullish. This is a pretty bearish structure when we look at just the last, 2 or 3 days. Ascending channel, not ideal for breaking up. Not impossible, just statistically, these break down more than up. So if we do manage to get to that 4.8, certainly could see a breakdown then, but this is a rough thing to long. Not looking for a long on this move to the upside here. I'm frigid. Alright, let's read some chat. What are you guys up to? He's here. What's up, Tom G? Oh, he just reloaded again. Ultra Chaos Steve, my man, how you doing? Jason Koto. Mel Zbub 92, what's up, dude? JD. DJ Gizmo. Gutshot Crypto. Captain Beater, Nino F, Adam Nanji. Tafer Kaya, Marika the darling. Our darling Marika, how are you? Mellow Fellow, I like that name. What's up, dude? Pedro Pinto. Greg D. Greg D. The man himself is here. What's up, man? Thomas Anderson, Peter Janilunas. Alchemist is back. David Carruthers. Poma. I don't know. PSUUG, what's up, man? Vesemir, it's good to have you. Brother Jaw's here. Menchie's West. All the things. Matthew Santini. Downstream and downrange. Jamie Green. What's up, Vesemir? Bart Florzik. What's up, dude? Mickey. Bad Mr. Saf. How you doing, Saf? It's good to see you doing well. Chills the like. Apparently we're at like resistance. So if you haven't yet, please hit that like button. Help us break through like resistance. How many are we at? 266 with 800 watching. I think we can get that up to at least like 400. Something like that. If you haven't hit that button, please do. I appreciate you deeply. Helps YouTube or encourages YouTube to show our video or our stream to other viewers on the platform when it has more engagement. So don't be shy with the likes. Smash them. Smash them, smash them. Smizash. Stoil. And this thing's gonna break up eventually. Just where is it gonna happen? I do not know. Honestly, a close with this bullish engulf today would be a great start. A great start to getting back on track. Again, 32,510 is the target. Not too much to ask for. It's not a huge move. Already trading above it, looking solid. DB, that's right. Hit the likes, please. Day trading Doge. How you feeling, buddy? How you feeling? Joe is. Shout out from London. What's up, London? How's the UK? Grace Garcia. Do I think Dodge will hit $1? Not anytime soon. I don't think it'll hit $1 anytime soon. Personally, dollar is that's like 50x from here or something. That's a lot. I think over time it could hit $1. By the end of this bull run, I could see that. Jez Xavier, what's up, bro? Momo, what's up, Momo? Stel Mobed. Feel like bad news. True that. Stephen Fisher, how you doing? Chip Greenside. That's a cool name. Shalom done. What's up, Shalom? How you doing, brother? Mr. D, smash the like. That's correct. Take for Kaya. Mia Mehai Surge. I don't know how to say that, sorry. Subscribe at no notifications. Yep, story of our life, man. We're just always shadow banned. Dehavel Patel, what's up? Harley Stone Rock. That's a powerful name. Dan Davis, how you doing, dude? Dogecoin's available on most exchanges. Shouldn't be too hard to find it. If you ever don't know or want to find out where different coins are traded, I recommend using CoinGecko. CoinGecko.com.
What do you think about the new app that will recommend cryptocurrencies for you?
Robert Cha. Thank you for the 5, my friend. What do I think about the new app that will recommend coins for you? Not something I'm familiar with, to be honest. Sounds like a pretty bad idea. That's just my own opinion. I think that would really just be used, to shill. You know, people would pay to have their coins recommended. That's not a good situation. Why does my phone keep blowing up? Candy Brodnick, what's up, dude? Jason Hodges. Proud day for Americans. Huh? Probably. Joshua Gonzalez, how you doing? Long John Silver. James Masterson. We've been on this channel, man. We were looking at Dodge way before this. Our trade setup was posted on the 20th of December to go long on Dodge Bitcoin pair, and so we're locked and loaded. Pre-pump, that's the way we do it. Joe Grows, what's up, my man? Official Royal Gamers. You bro. Manipash. Soldier Ethno? Alright. Man, my chat's always bugged up. Don DeFi grown hemorrhoids. Well, means you're doing something right. Smash the like. That is right, Ryan Paul Young. What's up, man? Good to have you. Adriano, how you doing? Good to see you, bro. It's been a while. Alright, 800 watching. That's pretty good. Pretty darn good. It's good to have you guys. Thanks for tuning in. We haven't looked at FET yet. FET, is that right? FTM. We haven't looked at FTM yet. We're gonna take a look at it. Julie Anderson, how you doing, darling? Look at FTM. It is cold. It is so cold. Ooh, here we go, FTM. Soaring. Soaring off the 50 daily. Holy moly. Let's zoom it out. Weekly finally rolled over to buying momentum. Excellent. RSI. No issues on the weekly at this point. RSI is good. MACD is good. Nothing of concern yet. Let's look a little closer. Actually, likely to find resistance here in FTM. 379 sats. That was the previous weekly close high back in September. And that actually lines up all the way back. All the way back to the second week of trading. 280 sats. Yep, there we are. RSI looks good. It is a little overheated though. We have a higher high in RSI here, right at this resistance versus on the 2nd of September when it was trading at 474. But with the way that daily momentum's looking, we are seeing stronger and stronger impulses of buying here. Breaking 380 is going to open the doors for this. Give it the opportunity to blow off this potential bearish divergence forming. And 500 sats, easy peasy, next target. I mean, easy peasy. You break 380, you're looking at 500. Man, where would you even go from there? 1,000? I don't know. It's gonna be a pretty crazy measured move. Let's see. 1,000. There we go. Easy. Didn't even have to use the tool. 960-ish. This is looking wild. This is looking wild. Slightly higher low. Zoom it down. What happened to my chart? Yeah, that 12-hour. This is a little worrying. The RSI being high isn't a problem. The problem is that the RSI is so high and we don't have a higher high in price. That is the issue. This is going to have to push up to 500. If it doesn't, it's likely looking at a pretty harsh rejection. Where might we look? Might look to 212, 173, 175. That would probably be a solid target to the downside. Dude, I need a jacket. Holy, the cold air just keeps flowing in here. My hands are like numb. And bearish divergence again. This coin is in that same position of you need to break seriously up or you're looking at a rather nasty retracement here. We see bearish divergence potential on multiple time frames. The only piece of the puzzle that we're waiting for is some kind of reversal. Having pushed higher and higher with that bearish divergence being ignored, that puts you in the position of you need to break to a new high or you need to start selling off. Right underneath resistance, this is not a good place to take a position. I would be much more interested looking at a pullback Be much more interested possibly at 175 sats on this one. But I would not look to take any position. Yeah, that's looking, that'll be a solid area. You can see this is a pretty important price point to this chart. Yep. I need to grab a hoodie. Where's this? It's like I can feel frosty air coming. Oh, there we go. That's a little better. Oh, God. All right. Something tells me FTM is going to look to retrace here, but I got my alerts set. If it can break 380 sats, it's going to get pretty spicy. And a test of 500 really would set the tone for some serious gains as the measured move to the upside, sitting at about 1,000 satoshis. That's a 3x from here. Certainly is possible. That is not out of the realm of possibility. However, again, entering right here is a statistically bad trade in my opinion. Oh yeah, look at this. This is it. 200 daily sitting right at our retracement support target, 175, 176 sats. I feel good about that. I feel good enough that I'd even look to place a little entry here. Whew, 30. See how that plays. Bitcoin just chugging along, chipping away, candle by candle to the upside. Pretty cool. Let's see what this looks like on our hourly. These trend lines were placed on the daily. Let's see. Okay. Pushing through our first ascending trend line. Some potential. No issues yet on our side on the hourly. However, you can see that we are very close to January 25th's RSI high, and we are not at the same price level. What that means is if RSI continues to climb and we don't break 34.8, this is really just a reiteration of failing that level is going to be ugly. We definitely want to see the bulls reclaim this level, and more importantly, continue to push up to the 38 area. We need to see the market putting in higher highs. We need to be breaking highs. So far, no highs have been broken. Really, also, they haven't been tested. We're seeing bleeding, just a slow bleed as price meanders down, and the first step to fixing that is going to be reclaiming some kind of high. So, fingers crossed. It really is just a flip your coins situation. There's not going to be a clear-cut signal as to what we should be doing or what's going to come next. Push it, corn. Push it to the limit. Push it to the limit. past the point of no return. Push it to the limit. Guys, I've been a fan of Doge since before you all started FOMOing into it in the last 24 hours. But the hopes of it going to $1 in any short time frame is extremely small. Extremely small. Can it go to $1 in this bull run cycle? Sure. I mean, that's possible. Actually, let's see. I would say it's possible. That wouldn't make its market cap too ridiculous, would it? And that would give it $128 billion market cap. That's probably asking a little too much. Well, we'll see. It depends on where the market goes in general. At this point, if Doge was $1, it would represent more than 12% of the total market cap. That seems unlikely in any short time frame. Yeah, 40x, a 40x to $1. This is crypto, guys. Things are possible. Things that you wouldn't think are possible are possible. That just seems like a little... That seems a little too much for a short time frame. For a short time frame. Doesn't say anything about its long-term prospects. But for a short time frame, that's asking a lot. Let's get rid of... Ooh, here we go. XLM is finally interacting with that 20-day moving average. Looks like that's about 28.24. Interesting. This looks a lot like Bitcoin, except it's almost retraced all the way back up. That would be the 14.8 here. Reclaim the 1 hour 200. 4 hour 100. Ooh. This is interesting. XLM is interesting right now. It's at a very important price point. There it is. There it is. That'll be a big, big close for Stellar. Stellar can close above this thick white line here. Be a great close. And keep my eyes peeled. GLD slightly rallying. Our Ethereum Bitcoin pair trade. It's in the red. But still not stopped out. I'm feeling alright about that. The entry should have been 0.4 anyway. I was just being sloppy. 0.13. There's 0.413. Only a few more days till February, and it's looking like it's gonna be a hell of a ride. Doge gang. Dogel gangs. Almost 900 watching. Okay, we're back to our regular numbers. I don't know what was going on yesterday. Welcome back, everybody. Please make sure you've hit the like button. We got 400 likes. Let's get it to 500. Make sure you're subscribed. Please help us catch up with Bitcoin. We've put in solid work the last month, gaining 5,000 subscribers. Let's do it again. Let's keep that pace. Let's catch up with the corn. And make sure you're in Discord. Links pinned to the top of the chat. 24/7 live stream. After this live stream, I'll put up today's chart in the Discord for you guys to follow along overnight till our next stream tomorrow. There's also a bunch of educational content, 24-hour chat. It's really just the best way to keep up with the stream, so jump in there if you're not there yet. Party never stops in the Discord. Here we go, Bitcoin. 33.5, let's go, bud. Kick it up a notch. Push past your limits. Let's go. RSI on the 5 minutes actually really nice. You can see a series of higher highs and higher highs in RSI. That's pretty solid. Five-minute Ichi following trend up. TK acting as support. That is a solid uptrend. Same on the 15-minute. Same on the 30-minute. TK or Ichimoku looking pretty solid on the under 1 hour candles. Broke out from a cloud. We've seen this before though. Nice. Six-hour cloud calling at 34,428 with this flat top here. Luring, attracting price. Ooh, 12-hour reclaimed the kaiju. Nice. This would be a great close for the 12-hour. Up here at 33.3. That would be the first steps to getting back into cloud trend. Scared me. GM245, what's up, my dude? Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Great to have you here. Great. Man, this daily. This freaking daily, man. I would love to see this daily close above 34.8. January 25th high. Close above there. Reclaim the Kaijun and the TK. Tenkan-san. Then you're looking for a cross above the clouds on the daily. That is... Dreams are made of that. We actually have not gotten a cross above the clouds on the daily at all in this run. No, we haven't gotten that signal. We can see we had a cross up below the cloud. This is not as strong. Another cross up below the cloud. Or I guess this one's in the cloud technically. A little bit stronger, but still not that strong. This was below the cloud. We have not gotten one above the clouds. A cross up above the clouds is the strongest bullish signal that Ichi can give us on the daily time frame. That is significant. All we have to do is close candles above the Kaijun, above this purple lagging line. If you do that, you will find that the TK, the green quicker responding line, will look to cross back up, and we will get that cross above the clouds, man. That is what moon pumps are made of. Day, multi-day crosses above the cloud. 2K Kaijun holding nicely. But we don't see momentum slowing down on the sell side yet. On the 2-day. Not yet. Or on the 3-day. We do see multiple pretty clear bullish divergence forming on many time frames. You can see that RSI has really sunk low here into the end of January, and it's sunk low here, but price has not. Price not making any lower lows. That is bullish divergence, and we've seen it on the daily and the 2-day and the 3-day and the 4-day. This is starting to remind me about October when we were looking at these signals before it broke out. Ooh, 5-day. 5 days actually pretty gorgeous. Pretty gorgeous there. There we go. Go for it. Lots of Dogecoin hype today. All right, take it. Dodge doing a little hesitating. A little hesitating here. Just a wee bit. Let's see. Continued upside, I'd be looking for 2.86 cents for our measured move target, with an extended target closer to 5 cents, 0.44 cents, and almost 6 cents. Man, numbers are getting goofy quick. But these are likely profit-taking levels. We're likely to see price pause at least, if not retrace there. Previous swing high at 1.38 cents, not a bad spot to look if you're looking for an entry. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. I reveal at 50,000. Oh, that's no secret. I have videos where I'm not wearing my glasses. It's not a secret. We started streaming without these and just caught on. Bite some ankles. Sundial growers. What's up, Saul G? What's up, Ecto Rotari? FTM getting an alert. Where did this go? Ooh, FTM hitting that resistance. Hitting that resistance, breaking through here would be a big deal. You can see it just now testing it. That resistance looking real. Here we go.
Can we take a look at AAVE, please, good sir?
Yo, KP Killer, my man. How you doing, brother? AAVE, of course we can. Anything for you, KP. Thank you for the 25, man. Appreciate your support always. Alright, well, we had AAV broke out of a descending channel some time ago. Does not look like we've really looked at it since. Wow, well, that sucks. Don't want to pump the brakes on this guy, but it does look like AAV is approaching a take profit target here. $317.41. Looks, it got very, very close. Very, very close. FTM still moving. Got another alert. Oh yeah, 314 to 317. We're seeing it on multiple fib extensions here. Not a bad take profit target. Our local retrace puts us at 314, and this greater descending channel we broke out of is pegging 317. So to have those two line up so tightly, that is a pretty high confidence level for me. Breaking 317, and man, numbers are going to get silly quick. The next measured move above, sitting at 671 to about 687. Just about 2x from where it is now. Let's look at our indicators. MACD looks beautiful. There's no signs of that buying momentum slowing down yet. RSI is a little sketchy. We don't have a higher high in RSI, but like many coins, like we theorize, one strong move to the upside can fix that pretty easily. At this point, that would look, and probably have to be close to like 500 maybe, something like that, to get that strength to push RSI up. Another thing that we might look for is the always present psychological value at 500. Always present. And in addition, we've also become a fan of looking for this as well at 420. So we do have some psychological battles there, but there is no resistance. These are just going to be logical taking profit targets. Like 314 to 317, that's looking pretty solid. "12 hours waning off." Yeah, this is what I would look for. I would look for 314 to 317. Doesn't mean I would dump my whole position. Doesn't mean I dump my whole position, but does mean that I'd likely look to take some kind of profit there. You can see the well, you probably can't. 618 retrace would be back to retest previous daily resistance as support. See that level right about here at 197. This may be the trade. Something like that. See how this plays. Thank you, KP Killer. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. FTM's still struggling. Still struggling with that resistance. Just teasing us here. Convince me. Close a candle above there. Convince me that you're going for it, FTM. Mine's still chilled out. Market seems a little calm now, out of nowhere. Although DOGE, of course, DOGE doesn't seem a little calm. DOGE USD breaking out again. See DOGE Bitcoin breaking out, DOGE BTC doing good, and DOGE USD breaking out now, heading hopefully for our 2.86 cent target. It's our measured move. DOGE is trading at all-time highs, so we don't have too much to go by other than these measured moves. But that was a nice back test on the 15. DOGE really showing some strength here. Don't want to touch this one. No. Holy moly. Holy moly, Dodge. $103 Satoshi. That is my personal take profit target for Doge. 103. May find some resistance at 90 as well, as the monthly closes back in September 2019. Ended up there. Go for it. Moon it. US dollar pair is moving. Doge Bitcoin pair hasn't quite moved yet. That means Bitcoin is moving up. Correct. There we are. Monster. This is just a monster trade. Monster trade. I don't know if I'll ever catch a trade so perfectly again. We'll see. It's pushing up on its daily high. Jeez Louise, there it is. 79 sats. Are you gonna do it? Break 79, you're looking at 90. I mean, easy math. There it is, 15 minutes rolling over, looking solid. Whew, this thing's going for 90. Bitcoin and Doge looking for higher. This is tense. Come on. Break it. Break it, break it. There we go. It did push up. We have a slightly higher high here in this candle. Hit 80. So it broke 79. Last minute. Reaching for our target. Allergies. About to sneeze. Nope. No more sneeze. 2.86 cents. Rock and roll at Doge. FTM still struggling with 380 sat resistance. AAVE up to the take measured move take profit target. Nano selling back down for some reason. Womp womp. We had some great calls on Nano though. Wild. Check out CoinGecko, see if anything else is moving. Moving and grooving. There we go. Stellar retaking its daily 20 moving average. Or the middle Bollinger Band, if you're a Bollinger Band fan. Retaking it. A close above this level, very, very bullish for XLM. Very bullish. If it can retake it. Close the daily there, and that value is exactly 28.22 cents. So far, with everything we're seeing going on, that seems likely, seems probable. With the music turning off, seems quiet. The lady is not feeling good. We went out last night for the first time in forever. Got a little tipsy. Had a good time, but struggling today. Struggling, a little hungover, but alive. We're here. She's I think she's feeling worse than me though. Let's see. KSM. Whoa. I stopped watching KSM apparently, and it looks like it blew way past our target. Yeah, $100. That was Moonboy dreams. We had our powerful setup all the way back, and this seems like forever ago now, but I guess it wasn't. We had our powerful setup back at the end of December with our moving averages here, all coiled up, ready to move, breaking to the upside, smashing through our initial 61 target, back testing it before moving up. Now all the way, trading all the way up to $112. This thing is put in work. I don't think I own any of this, unfortunately, but putting in work. Has a little RSI problem here on its highs, but that can be fixed. 12-hour looks decent. Daily looks decent. Off the 20, beautiful. Let's get our next measured move here. $157. Take it. I think the edge is with the bulls on this one. This coin looks... it looks angry. Looks ready for action. $157 to the measured move. $157. You fail out of this wedge, you're looking at a an $81 back test of previous. That was our previous measured move, but has not been really back tested as support significantly, though. I guess it did for one candle. Looks great. There we go, Dodge. Reaching up again. Go for it. Hit our target. Doge. Bork. The Bork. The big Bork. Okay. There we go. Almost to the target. Let's see what happens. 2.86 cents looking all but guaranteed at this point. We're locked in. Nothing's guaranteed. Locked in, ready to go. We have 1,000 people watching. Right on, fam. It's a Doge day. It's a Doge day. The Doge days are not over. The Doge days are not over. There we go. We see Doge Bitcoin pair breaking out again. One more time. Where are you? Here we go. Breaking out again. Hit 81. Wait, it already hit 81. Why am I getting alert again? There we go. 81. Wait, we're already at 81. This is confusing me. Why'd I get another alert? Looking for 90. Looking for 90. On Doge Bitcoin. 90 Satoshis per Dogecoin. Better not go up too much more because I'm going to have to get off and take some profit. We'll see. FTM closing below 380 resistance. It's got to keep pushing. It's got to get through that. It's not going to look good if it doesn't. $900. We had 1,000. And some good numbers. Good numbers, fam. If you're joining us for the first time, guys, we are live every day with the cutting edge of technical analysis in the crypto markets. Welcome you all to join us here every single day as we explore these markets together. We streamed 6 hours yesterday, so I'm a little beat. But it's great you guys have found your way here. Please hit that like button for the new stream, and also make sure you're subscribed. We're quickly catching up with Bitcoin in subscribers. And I'd love for you to be part of that, so hit that subscribe button, smash the bell. Join us every day right here. Similar time. Fortunately, the best way to keep up with these streams are when we go live, because YouTube doesn't always tell us, doesn't alert people. Best way is to be in the Discord. Link is pinned to the top of the chat. I'll also send that in here for you. One more time. Ultra Chaos Steve is smashing it. Smashing that link. I just clicked on link as I said it. Jump in there. Keep up with our streams. Love to have you guys here on the regular. On the reg. Chabra. Chabra. Doge days. Ugh. Nice, we're almost to 20,600 subscribers. That's quite a few in this episode. Thank you guys. You guys rock. DOGE is just stealing the show today, isn't it? 250% gain in the last 24 hours. Wild even for crypto. Even for cryptocurrency, that's wild. Are you not entertained? Let's get some pump tunes. I gotta pee. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Give me 2 minutes. Be right back. Sit tight. Smash the like button. Make sure you're subscribed. Jump in the Discord. Check out the Patreon. You know how to go. We got a lot more pumping today, I have a feeling. We haven't seen it yet, so stay tuned. We're still going.
Stand against you. They will fall as well. The death of Olympus means the death of us all. Then prepare for your death, Poseidon. You challenge me, mortal? The god of Olympus? You have disrespected the gods for the last time, Kratos.
Whew, all right, just where I left it. You can go now, Bitcoin. It's okay. Go ahead. Whew. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Keep pushing. Holy sh! Why? How is it so cold? Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, XLM retook our target for the day and has shown some legs after doing so. Retook 28.13 cents and now reaching for 30. Where is it likely to find resistance? Hmm. 32 cents, 618. Could. Ah, there we go. The king is moving all the ships. Hourly is still trucking along, not showing any signs of slowing on the hourly, on the 2 hour, nor on the 3 hour. Beast. We're getting a nice little rally here, aren't we? 4 hour continues to grow in momentum as well. Really, looks like it's pushing for that 34,800 target. Which is going to be vital. Vital. There we go, 33.8. Let's rock and roll. Nice. Pump it. Bump it. Bump it. Uno, dos, tres. Ay. 1,000 people watching. What's up, fam? Ooh. Still a little beat from yesterday. Still a little beat. DOGE. Consolidating. Chilling for a second. Yeah, my phone is just lighting up today. What's up, Albert Einstein? What's up, Chris Jones? How you doing, man? We're live every day. Every single day. Right here. Justin Lum, Mark, Craig. What's up, guys? Kyle. Carol. Okay. What's good? Nah, dude, just chilling, watching the corn grow. Kind of plowed through the TA here already. And after yesterday's 6-hour stream, a little beat. What's up, Kings? Mr. D, what thoughts on Uniswap? Like the coin or the platform? Platform I don't use too much. Coin was looking alright last time we checked it out. Nothing's happened. Link not moving. Nano not really moving either. Everything seems to be pausing here for a moment. Interesting. I wonder if Bitcoin is about to move. Even, oof, our Ethereum trades are getting sketchy. Getting sketchy. You do see bullish divergence on Ethereum Bitcoin pair though. We see selling momentum is waning off on the 4 hour. And once you zoom out, you see that this is actually a rather pretty structure. Looks like a bull flag to me. We nailed the top of Ethereum Bitcoin locally. See how it goes. Another beautiful Bitcoin pair setup given to the patrons. Ethereum from down at 0.262 all the way down to 0.23. Already hit 3 of our take profits, hit our major resistance. Flying pretty. We've had some slick Bitcoin pair trades on the Patreon. Highly recommend everybody check that out for February 1st. Link is pinned to the top of the chat. Daily publishes of technical analysis, trade setups, the works, included in Patreon, along with one-on-one crypto mentoring with myself. Whew. Man, that is a strange pattern. Wow, my phone will not stop alerting. Something's going on. Getting all these alerts. My beard is bothering me today. 20 moving average on the 30-minute coming up. You see the 20 on the hourly, 20 and 100 are crossing bullishly. Likely on this next candle / this candle, as they're already touching. Nice little bullish sign. Take it. $4 200 MA reclaimed here. If we can close at this level in the next 36 minutes, be awesome. We're actually lined up for a really strong daily close here. Really strong. This is the first significant bullish response I think we've seen in a few days, few weeks. Few weeks. Looking good. Really, this daily only has to close above 32,510, and seems to be putting in more work than that now. 33.8, and climbing. Only 36 minutes left till close. Things are looking good. I gotta shave this beard. Stellar FT. Dogecoin Stellar FTM. They're stealing all the juice. Seems like everything's funneling to those. Nano as well, but it needs to break its resistance or else it's really not going anywhere. What else has moved? Looks like Luna. Terra Luna? Something like that. Take a look. Oh my goodness. I feel like crap. Okay. I'm looking for 169. Nice. 169 on Luna. Measured move. Don't really have much else to go by. Hmm. Struggling on the 4-hour with your RSI and on the daily, but at least your momentum is looking great still. No signs of weakening at this point. You do have support below you at $1.26. That's beautiful. Beautiful structure there. It's the parabolic stepping that crypto's trademark, that parabolic stepping. There we go. There we go, Dodge. Push it. Just needed a little rest stop at the 20 moving average on the 15-minute, I see. Oh dang. Oh dang. Oh dang. Bitcoin reaching up, touching our next descending high trend. Hopefully, not finding resistance there, hopefully. Having already broken one today, testing the next one was really just a matter of time, and now it's on. That is a beautiful touch. Look at that. Virtually to the penny. If not actually to the penny. Yep. Literally on there. Wow. Wowza. Looks like it's found some resistance there. Bulls really got to pull it together. We can give up some of these gains today without it being too much of an issue. We can. As long as we get that 32.5 close all as well, but man, you want to just keep pushing. You really need to be putting distance below. $30 minutes to go. I'm ready. What's up, Yoshio? Thanks for joining the YouTube membership. Hope you enjoy these emojis. And the magnet icon. Nice. 20,600. We gain another 100 subscribers, roughly. We're mooning. We're mooning. You're all coming with. Boo. Keep pushing, Bitcoin. Don't stop there. It's not what we want. Dang, 1,000 watching still. Nice day. Good day. Good to have everybody here. All right, final 30-minute of the day. Looking probably to be volatile. Mm. XLM selling off, but as long as it closes above at 28.13 cents, looking good. KSM, no chill. Just no chill on KSM. Looking to push up its highs. Looking strong. Really searching for a retest of that $121 local high here. Breaking that level, and we're looking at $157 for a rather strong move to the upside. Moving averages looking good. The coin looks like it wants to go, can I say? I wish I had some of this. I don't think I do. Ah, still not stopped out. Aha. Boom, 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 boom. $600 likes, right on, guys. And I am beat from yesterday's stream. Yesterday's streamathon, and then went out afterwards. Hungover, but I'm pushing through, trying to keep it together for you guys. I liked making this thumbnail, by the way. It's looking like we might get a little quiet, low energy close here today. The previous 30-minute testing our descending high trend, dating back from the 14th and 19th highs of January. Just so happened to line up perfectly with 34,000, and we're seeing a little chill now.
Can we look at the ETH pair before the daily closes?
What are you looking for there, Mr. Renee Astronaut? You looking for the dollar or the against Bitcoin? Against the corn. Not a phenomenal Ethereum Bitcoin pair, Ethereum Bitcoin pair daily. And to be honest, the Ethereum dollar pair reflects it as well. This isn't super bearish or anything, but it does not look like it's getting the same close as Bitcoin for the day. Having, let's see, 1367 needed in the next 24 minutes to follow Bitcoin and reflect that same bullish engulfing candle on the daily. Not quite there. 24 minutes, that is enough time to do it, but I'm not so sure that that's in the cards for today. Not so sure. dog hair. I think it still looks fine though. Just looks kind of sideways in the same range. Still no lower low. We haven't broken the low of the 26th of January yet. And with that in mind, then this becomes pretty good looking. You know, it's really... It's a little janky, actually. Does look like it's going to want to pull some divergence here. $12-hour, yep, 4-hour. Not quite on the daily yet. Yeah, Ethereum just is not getting quite the same bullish close, it seems. And that's okay. That's not a big deal. Not a big deal. Upside target on Ethereum when we break 1477, looking for 1994. Great year. Great year. There we go. Doge. Here we go. Now we're getting up there. Doge quickly approaching our 2.86 cent target in USD pair. And is broken out. Okay, broken out again in the Bitcoin pair, looking for 90 sats. Above 90 sats, we have 103. There we go, 83. Rock and roll. There it is. Yeah, this close is gonna be quiet. Nice. We have a lot of people joining us on Discord. Welcome everybody. Yoshi, Scarlet Knights, Kenob, King Andy, Molly, Manon, Big N, Or, Lagalot, Momo, Slackalot, The One Pharaoh, Human, Bad Andy, JK711, Jolly V, Zud Biddy, Danny, Kylie, Awo. See who else is here. Ace joins, Dream Chaser, Bart X. We got a lot of new fan members. Reese Deely. What's up, guys? Welcome. Thanks for jumping on Discord. Get on Jay as well, just joining. What is up? Altqueenerd. Thanks for following, my friend. Good to have you. Good to have you, dude. Make sure you're in Discord, everybody. We're going to be live. We are live every day. We're going to be live again tomorrow, and the best way to find us is by being in the Discord. 19 minutes till close. The market is at a standstill. Doge is so close to our target. Doge did not hit 3 cents yet. Sadly. Sadly it will. It very, very likely, high probability, will hit 3 cents. But it has not yet. Has not quite gotten there. It's looking like it wants to. Doge Bitcoin pair still moving up, hitting 85. Satoshi's looking for 90, upwards of 103 on that. And it's just climbing steadily. This trade is in such crazy profit. It is ridiculous. Wow. RSI is beautiful on the daily for Doge Bitcoin. So is MACD. And there we go. There we go. Doge hitting our target already. In-stream target hit. Boom. 2.86 cents live. Live hit. Kaboom. 3.23 cents. Next upside target on Dodge. If we can get a close above 2.86 should be in the cards. Keyvan Lazaki. Imagine I took that with leverage. No leverage needed, my friend. No leverage needed. Entering at 15 sats. That is a 400% gain from our entry. This is a patron trade setup. Literally long the bottom. 15 sats. Trade still open. Never got stopped. Wild 400%. Congrats to all the patrons that took that. I know a lot of people picked up some Dodge then. Well done. Well played. Fifteen minutes. My allergies, man. Something is bothering me today.
YouTube famous BTC King of Kings, protector of the crypto realm, first of his name, Big Daddy. Finn Crown, did you see the new Keurig that makes ice cream?
Did we see what? What's up, Tom G and Wolfpack? How you guys doing? Josh, you're so pretty. I see the new Keurig makes ice cream. That sounds banging, though. I would invest in ice cream Keurig, personally. Ice cream Keurig. Ooh, man. 16 minutes till close. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. With almost 1,000 family members joining us for it. Good times. Just about 14,000 views already. Nice, nice, nice. Here we go. Doge looking to push up for that 3.23 cents. Can it make it before close? I do not know. Looking ripe. Our long-term 4.47, just about 4.5 cent target above. If it's really got some legs on it, would not surprise me. Man, it is reaching for 90 sats, all but locked in here as well. And Ethereum, Bitcoin pair breaking to the downside. Let's see the damage. See the damage. Womp womp, our trade got stopped out. Womp womp. Looks like it's gonna bounce though, pretty much any second. Maybe as far down as 0.391. It's gonna be painting bullish divergence. It's gonna look for a bounce, almost certainly. Man, not moving. Total looks good. XLM still looking prime for this close above 28.13. DOT not having the most impressive of days, but also not doing terribly. DOT really wants that $17.12 close for the bullish engulfing close to follow suit with the rest of the market. Currently trading at $17.05 with 15 minutes left. That is plenty of time. Plenty of time to change. Link not doing much into this close. Kind of just snoozing. Oh wow, here we go, Dodge. Here we go, 88 sats. We are so close to our 90 sat target. Let's hit it. Let's double it up. Double it up. Bitcoin for the uneventful close. There we go, 3 cents on Dodge. Boom. Reaching for 3.23. Quite a day. Quite a day for Dodge, man. Let's see, where's it at? Dodge climbing up the ranks to 16th in market cap. Hitting $3.4 billion today. Insights to overtake AAVE in market cap. Potentially even wrapped Bitcoin, Uniswap are in range as well. Very much in range. Getting spicy. Oh. Ooh. It's a Doge day, guys. It's a Doge day. 89 sats all but hit our 90 sat target. Boom. Another. There it is, 90 sats. Another in-stream target hit. Boom. Fire. Wild day, guys. There's another target. Down. Does it have what it takes to continue pushing up to 100 sats? Something tells me it does. I don't know if that's going to be now or if it's going to be in a little bit. But something tells me it's going to set its sights on 100. Wild ride on Dodge here. I've been a long-term trader of Dodge. Some of my coins years old at this point. Dodge just, 48 hours ago was down maybe at the 20th spot in my portfolio, and today with these gains in the last 48 hours has rocketed up to 4th place with no change, with no addition, nothing other than pure rampaging growth. It has rocketed to 4th. That's wild. Overtaking ADA and XMR in my portfolio, and ZEC and DGB in one swoop, and now representing almost double of them. Who would have known?
Chain of the link after your glorious Doge, please.
Yo, Mr. Josh. Link. We looked at Link, but nothing's really going on. I actually closed it because of that. It's kind of just chilling on this. Yeah. Not doing too much. And maybe looking to backtest that 2271. Be a good place to find support, but I'm still of the opinion I'm not interested in entering this without maybe a test to 20. If you lose that, I'm looking more at the 15.5 zone. This is where I'd feel much more comfortable entering. Yeah, the dailies in sell, not my jam. But Link only needs 4 cents, $23.15 to close bullish engulfing in the next 8 minutes. Currently at 23.10, that's totally possible. That would be a solid close for it. Not a lot going on. There we go. It's back. Now it is at the close. Battling for the close. I think Link will close with a bullish engulfed candle. Seeing lots of this today. Should be good. Go Dutch, go. Dodge keeps going. I'm gonna have to jump off to take profit. Jeez.
V-chain, please. Winking face.
What's up, Golem? Let me take a look at Vet. Not this chart, though. Not quite the same day as everything else, huh? Jeez, Dodge won't stop. 92, looks like it's heading for 103 sats. Holy crap. Jeez. Wild. Yo, Vet. Bet not looking the strongest here in the daily. Bearish divergence on your highs. Daily momentum still favoring selling. Has not slowed down yet. Honestly, it's reminding me of Ethereum. It's like slightly higher highs, retracing. At least the 12-hour momentum has shown signs of weakening. I'm looking for a daily close above 2.7 cents. Close above support. That'd be really the best we can ask for at this point. It's looking fine. Looking fine. It's just not moving really. Not at this point. So cold. Oh my god. So cold in here. Oh. I'm gonna turn into an Eskimo. Closing under the 20 daily though, not the best. Not the best sign. If we see Vet give up any of its gains here, I'd be looking for a back test of 20 cents. Don't really have an edge here for this guy. Do not have an edge. Bullish divergence on the 4-hour on your lows, that's good. And on 12-hour. Actually, maybe there is a little edge here. Maybe there is. You're looking for 50 cents as an upside target. Can't complain there. Alright, 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. And maybe that has a slight bullish edge. Do see some solid divergence on multiple time frames. Actually, it's even on the daily. You have bearish divergence on your highs and bullish divergence on your lows. Luckily the bullish divergence is more recent. It's more local. So I'd probably divert to that. Looking to retest 3.57 cents. If you break it, we're looking at, sorry, I said 50, I meant 5.12. I am tired. Dodge, you are running. You are running. Keep going, buddy. Keep going, little guy. Go ahead, hit our second target. Go ahead. 3 minutes. 94 sats. 95 sats. Holy moly, is Dodge running. Shh. I'm gonna have to freaking go take profit. Two minutes left. Bitcoin recap quick here. With 2 minutes left in the daily, it is looking highly probable that we are closing with a bullish engulfing candle on the daily. That is nice. However, we have not yet broken the downtrend. We need to see a higher high. I would start looking if we can retake 34.9, but really I would be more comfortable with this 13.7, 13.8 price point being retaken. Until then, as great as this close is, and as awesome as it is to find buyers at the 50 daily moving average and then bullish engulf, you just can't make a call there. You just can't make a determination until you start breaking highs, and at bare minimum 34.8, retake the 20 daily. Till then, we're really still just slowly bleeding, though it is looking better than it did yesterday, so it's a plus. One minute to go. I'm going to go ahead and start streaming this chart to the Discord so you guys can check it out after the show. Follow it overnight, etc., whatever you'd like. Here we go. I have it hosted up. Good. Another of the many reasons to join Discord. Dogecoin intensifies. What's up? Kill You Monty, R. Brenecki, MILF Slayer XP, Simon O, Whistle Beer, Peggy, John Tavares, Johnny Hex, KV Nocto, Tesoros Sip, Gitone J. What's up, guys? Thanks for joining Discord. Mr. DI joining us in the last minutes here. It's been a good stream, guys. And we're still here. We're still going. Okay, there we go. Measured move. 3.23 cents. Looks like that's hit. Solid climb. Oh, wow. 97 sats on Dodge. We are aiming for that 100 sat. Easy. Easy. Easy peasy. There we go. Day is over. Let's assess the damage. Dodge Bitcoin pair moving from 25 to 97. Almost a 300% increase in one day. We're looking for 100 as our 90 target was already hit in this stream. Dodge USD looking to break our measured move at 3.23 cents. If it can do it, I'm looking for 4.4 cents to the upside. FTM closing below. So it's closed below our resistance. Not great. It's not great. Keeping an eye out for FTM above 380 will catch my attention again. AAVE. Measured move is looking correct at 314. As it's chilling out here now. DOT did not get the bullish engulfing close, unfortunately. KSM looking solid. EGLD still looking good, looking to test 62 to 65. Ethereum as well, not getting the bullish engulfed close. Does not seem like that is everywhere. Bitcoin. Bitcoin did successfully close bullish engulfing off of the 50 daily moving average. That's some great news. But until we retake some kind of high, it's just not enough. Not enough. May happen today, we'll see. That's a solid candle to close. More upside would be amazing. Would be amazing. Alright, today's chart is up on the Discord, so jump in there. Links in the chat. What's up, Crypto Boss? How you doing, brother? I didn't see you. I just saw someone say hi to you. Oh yeah, Stellar. Did Stellar get the close? Stellar got the close. Excellent. XLM closing above the 20 daily moving average. Setting itself up for more upside. Oh my goodness, I have to shave my beard. It's so itchy and I'm so cold. I love you guys. Today was a dope stream. We had over 1,000 people watching. We still do. Crap, we have 1,100. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe we'll stay on. Boo. Two targets hit. It does not seem like it's chilling, does it? Nay. Jeez, Dodge with a 337% gain in the last 24 hours. Don't go chasing pumps, guys. Don't go chasing pumps. Chasing pumps is literally buying something because it's expensive. Does that make sense? Does it make sense to buy something because it's expensive? It's up to you. Crocodile. I'm gonna put up another screen. We can watch both Bitcoin and Doge at the same time. Drink that. There we go. Dual screen. Looks like Bitcoin's retesting the highs. 33,890. Pushing up to the 3,400 test we saw last hour. Breaking that level can get very spicy very quickly. Over 1,000 watching. What's up, dudes? Great to have everybody here, all the new faces. Please make sure you're subscribed. Help us catch up to Bitcoin and subscribers. Doing a great job. Almost 700 likes. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Make sure you're in the Discord. Link is in the chat. Ooh, tramp stamp, get it, girl. Good timing. No, DOGE BTC 97. Keep going. Seems that DOGE Bitcoin pair is at least retracing for the moment as Bitcoin looks to retest its $34,000 high of yesterday's candle, the last hour. Doge crew. Doge crew. I guess we're staying here. I guess we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna go grab a snack. Stay tuned. There we go. There we go. Bitcoin. There you go, bro. 34,200, breaking yesterday's high already. Searching for that 34.8. Ooh, Doge Bitcoin reaching for 100. I need it. I need it. I need it. Bring, 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 bring. Bring, bring. There we go. Doge at 99. All but there.
What are you afraid of?
I'm lost in old ways.
I'm not afraid.
Well, here goes nothing.
Wow, holy crap, DOGE. So this is on Bittrex. But it appears that on Binance trading much higher than on Bittrex. Let's check this out. Looks to be trading upwards of, yeah, 113. Touched 119 sats. Holy shit. That is a 10x in Bitcoin pair from our entry. At 15 sats, 10 times. Oh my goodness, guys. Wow, it didn't even get that low on Binance. Oh, wait, this is hourly, that's why. Wow. From 15 to 115. Oh, wait, that's not 10x. 10x would be 150. My bad, everybody. Still insane. Absolutely insane. Holy shees. Holy shees. I don't even know what to say. It's going nuts. 103. Boom. There on Bittrex. It finally was hit. We see DOGE USD still moving up, looking for 4.4 cents, it appears. Bitcoin doing well. Man, what a wild ride. Wild ride. Ride. Ooh, I gotta make a trade or two. I'll be right back. Holy smokers. Holy smokes. Now we're at 10x. All right. Thank you for making me right there. 15 sats to 150. Holy shit. Wow. What to even say? Where is this thing gonna stop? 150 though, that's pretty historical. I believe it stopped there before. Man, Bittrex could not keep up. Binance just flying. Ooh, getting sold down on the Binance. Uh-oh. Arbitrage likely taking place here between Binance and Bittrex. Binance and Bittrex, whatever. 4.4 cents still on the way. Bitcoin trading up to 34,300. Wow, what a wild ride. Wild ride. Looks like FTM broke. Yep, FTM broke resistance. Nice. $392, looking for 496 on FTM Bitcoin pair. It's work. had to take a little profits. Well, TP, haven't done that in a while. Felt good. Felt real good. Felt extremely good. Nothing like making a plan and sticking to it. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Heck yeah, man. Just solid profit. Whew. So far averaged 121 sats on those sells. In Doge, 2 Bitcoin. It rallies back up, I'll get solid few more fills, but we'll see. Best I could do in that time frame was 127 sats, I believe I caught. Not bad. Yeah, there's tons of people here, guys. We'll be live again tomorrow, though. We'll be live again tomorrow. We've already been on longer than we expected. Jump in Discord. Make sure you're in Discord. Follow up with our streams. We'll be live again tomorrow. I can leave the stream on for a little bit, but I'm done streaming personally. So I love you guys. I hope you catch the stream again. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the stream up for a while. See what happens. Rock and roll.
Bye.